feeling anxious or overwhelmed. Here is a 5-minute daily routine that is backed by science, and it can help calm your mind, reset your nervous system, and reduce stress naturally. Number 1, deep belly breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, then exhale slowly for 6. This kind of breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system and helps reduce cortisol, according to a 2017 study in Frontiers in Psychology. Number 2, the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Name 5 things you see, 4 things you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, and 1 you taste. Grounding like this has been shown to reduce anxiety and improve emotional regulation, especially in people with post-traumatic stress disorder, psychological trauma. Number 3, write down 3 things you are grateful for. Research by Emmons and McCullough shows that gratitude boosts mood and lowers stress. It literally shifts your brain chemistry toward positivity. Number 4, tense and release your muscles from head to toe. This is called progressive muscle relaxation, and a 2007 study in the Journal of Anxiety Disorders found it significantly lowers anxiety levels and improves sleep. Number 5, say out loud, I am safe, I am calm, I can handle what comes my way. Affirmations help regulate your stress response and increase activity in brain areas linked to self-worth, social, cognitive, and affective neuroscience. These simple steps take just 5 minutes, but done daily, they can make a huge difference. And if you are ready to dive deeper into natural, research-backed strategies, grab a copy of my book, Beating Anxiety and Depression. I'm sharing the step-by-step techniques that helped me and my patients conquer anxiety, depression, and PTSD naturally. It is available now on Amazon. Your healing journey starts here.